The year is 2026, and MG is stepping boldly into the future of electric mobility. The journey begins with the refreshed MG4 EV hatchback, now wearing a softer, more refined face. Its LED daytime running lights shine with precision, framing a cleaner, sleeker bumper design that speaks of aerodynamic efficiency and modern elegance. As you move closer, the sculpted lines guide your eyes toward a more approachable yet confident front profile, an evolution that feels deliberate and mature. Walking around to the rear, the transformation continues. The taillights are now sharper, sporting arrow-like signatures inspired by MG's Cyberster Roadster, and a subtle reworking of the bumper adds a planted, sportier stance. The charging port has shifted to the front fascia, a thoughtful touch for easier access whether at home or on public chargers, proof that MG is listening to its drivers. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes to one of high-tech minimalism. The driver's view is dominated by a large floating touchscreen expected to measure around 12.8 inches, paired with a crisp digital instrument cluster, both enhanced through MG's collaboration with Oppo. This is an interior designed for both comfort and connection. A wireless 50-watt phone charger sits within reach, while ambient lighting lines the cabin with a subtle glow, making every drive feel modern and inviting. The seats, with their supportive bolstering and premium materials, offer a balance of everyday comfort and long-distance readiness. But MG's vision for 2026 doesn't end here. In the premium electric segment, the IM5 sedan and IM6 SUV are set to redefine what MG performance means. With up to 767 brake horsepower on tap, a blistering 0 to 62 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, and 800-volt fast charging that brings remarkable efficiency to long journeys, these models show MG's readiness to take on the biggest names in the EV world. They combine speed, range, and refinement into a package that's as ambitious as it is practical. As the camera pulls back, the MG4 EV stands illuminated under soft city lights, while the silhouette of the IM6 rises against a glowing skyline. Together, they mark not just the next chapter for MG, but a statement of intent, a promise that the brand's electric future will be both accessible and exhilarating.